trying to get it to drain.
See the mess that Mike does trying to clean?
You should do it.
Prime example number 1, not to
Did
use
you see
dish
any?
detergent in a dishwasher.
Is that the normal soap? That one?
No,
What did
this is
Celia? What did he do wrong?
Put not normal soap in.
There's what
Right.
to use. There's what not to use. This is what how to use that.
We should use that one.
Steven's gonna crack up to this one.
Yeah, you gotta
Open the door.
Darby, why did you get me to do that?
Oh my God.
Hey, you know what? It smells good because look, it is aromatherapy. This is one of the best ways to have aromatherapy in your house. Put dish detergent in a dishwasher. Oh, I'm dying. Oh, that's what happens when you try to clean. Oh, we're just gonna put more water into it. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God.
Keep going. What?
Oh Lord.
How much did you put in?
The whole thing full. I didn't think the suds would come out this much. You just add a little bit of.
Okay, video done.